Here's a 2006 Chevrolet Avalanche. Consider the peace of mind that comes with OnStar Emergency SOS, four-wheel anti-lock vented disc brakes, driveline traction control, and electronic stability control. Add to that a powerful V8 engine, dual zone air conditioning, internet access capability, keyless entry, and a multi-speaker stereo sound system with a CD player.
The longest of road trips are fun for everyone with the DVD entertainment system. It's too hot, it's too cold. Not anymore with the dual zone climate control. You're set to handle any job or haul any of your toys with the included heavy-duty trailering equipment.
Combining SUV comfort and convenience with pickup truck capability and toughness, this Avalanche is an outstanding value. See it for yourself today.
Experience the difference at Rochester Ford. We're conveniently located between 41st Street and 55th Street Northwest on Highway 52 in Rochester, Minnesota.